sa Transwoman in Dubai in Abu Dhabi later. So, let's go! Papakainin ka ng papakainin hanggang sa mahiya ka na lang na hindi bumili. Good morning mga friends! Welcome to another episode of Jay's Sanity! Ayan! So today pupunta tayo ng Abu Dhabi. So may binuka akong Abu Dhabi tour today. And let's see kung ano mga pupuntahan natin today sa capital city ng UAE. Pero bago yan, syempre papakita ko muna yung mga nangyari kanina sa breakfast. Ito. Good morning mga friend ko! Ayan, magpa-breakfast tayo, no? Ito yung buffet sa breakfast natin. Ayan, cheese, cold cuts, and then we have fruit and, oh, yogurt. May yogurt sila. And then, pastries. Ang sarap naman ito. And then, hot cake. Ano to? Pawom. Hindi ko ma-pronounce, ate. Basta yan siya. We have baked beans. Parang sausages na tayo. Tomatoes. Mushroom. Parang social naman dito. Sausage. Another sausage. Bacon. Okay. Scrambled egg. And then, ano ito? Medu vada. Hindi ko alam yung medu vada. And then, upma. Ay, gusto ko din try. Yung mga hindi ko natitikman. Ayan. Tapos nandun yung coffee. And then, ito yung sa omelette. Dito yung mga juice. Ayan. Tsaka cereals. And then, the coffee. Ang laki ng restaurant. Ayun yung kilo. Ang laki ng restaurant. Grabe. Sobra. Ayan siya. Tapos, nandun kami. Ayun, dun kami. Ito kami umupo. Kasi nga, ang laki niya. Kahit saan, pwede ka umupo. Ito yung reception. Tapos, we're here. Ayan, naganda dito. So, ito yung na-order natin. In-order nakuha natin, ano. Ito, meron silang, ito nakalimutan ko yung tawag dito, eh. Upma. Upma siya, upma. Asang curry. Basta naman silang soup. May curry din. Puro curry lahat. Ayun yung breakfast ko. Tapos siya, pinrutas lang tayo ni kuya mo. Turn natin. Ayan, so ito tayo ngayon sa van. Ayan, van siya. So shared tour to. Coach tour. Ano ba? Parang ganon. I'll post the link sa baba kung saan ko na-book sa Klook yung Abu Dhabi tour na to. And meron siyang mga few stops. One is the Sheikh Zayed Mosque. Kaya yung outfit natin. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo yung full outfit ko. Kasi very strict yung lugar na yun. And Abu Dhabi itself actually pagdating sa mga outfits. So of course, tayo lamang ay bisita sa lugar na ito. So dapat natin i-respeto yung kanilang kultura. Actually sinendan nga ako nung tour guide sa WhatsApp nung guide ng outfit. Ito siya. Ayan. So So makikita nyo, andyan yung mga bawal, andyan yung mga dapat sa babae at saka sa lalaki. Ayan siya. So later we'll experience kung ano man yung dapat sa akin, no? As a trans woman in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi later. So let's go!
For the tap water, there is an accelerator down. You press the accelerator, the water starts coming out. The bulbs inside is the headlights of the car. Like the whole washroom area is being built up of, you know, like vehicle items and all such kind of stuff.
You can do it when you
in the 80s.
Oh, ito daw yung set ng, ito yung mga sasakyan sa movie na Mad Max. Hindi ko naman napanood. Siya napanood niya, so papapicture daw siya. Ayan nga, ala. Ang dami. Ayun, pang ganda, oh. Ayan, oh. Papapicture lang daw siya. Ang dami pala niya, ayan, oh. Nakakatakot naman tumayo sa ilalim nito. May kalawa. Pag nalaglag yun sa'yo. Ayan, oh, yung car. O sa mga nakapanood dyan ng Mad Max, may nare-recognize ba kayo? Comment down below kung ito ba yung mga sasakyan doon. Ito, oh, grabe, oh. Nakakatakot. Puro kalawang. Ay, may bungo. Wala. Ayan, no? So yung movie daw, sabi ni kuya mo, wala daw tubig. Kaya nagkaagawan sila ng tubig. O nag-fanboying siya. Fanboying si kuya mo. Ang galing. Dito daw pala kasi sinut yung Mad Max. Kaya may mga ganyang mga replica ng mga sasakyan. Kasi nga desierto, di ba? Tsaka ang galing kasi pati yung papakita ko sa inyo pati yung CR, yung convenience store. Kasi gasoline station to eh. Gasoline station na may parang stop, ganon. Tama ba? Gasoline station? Doon ko lang makita ng gasolinahan. Basta para siyang mga tinda-tindahan ng mga convenience store, burger, ganyan, ganon. Ang laki yung laking truck. Laki ng truck, oh. Oo, kasing laki ng tao yung gulo. Ayan, oh. Ayan yung CR. Oh, ang galing ng set nila, diba? So, yung mga tables dito. Ayan. Tapos ito, ice cream. Ice cream na ba ito? Flavor truck. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Meron sila kainan. Ganyan. Hala, ang ganda. Parang set ng pelikula nga. Para kang nasa Universal Studios. Ayan, oh. Ang galing. Para kang nasa Universal Studios. So, ayan, oh. Very nice. Try natin sa loob. Ay, aircon dito, malamig. Ay, wow, ang ganda. Ang galing. Para ka nasa Universal Studios, oh, di ba? Meron pang sasakyan, oh. Di ba? Ano to? Akala mo open, pero may bubong talaga siya. Ang galing. Parang nasa Universal Studio tayo. Amazing. Yun, parang may bus. May bus na bumangga. Ang galing. Tignan niya sila. So, kainan to siya. Kainan siya. Oh, may wrecking ball. I came in like a wrecking ball. Para siyang set talaga ng Tingnan natin dito kabilang side. Doon si Kuya ako. Kapatagin siya. Ganda. Napapicture daw si Sir dito sa mga TV. Hindi ko kasi lang itong movie na to eh. Kaya hindi ko alam. Enjoy na enjoy si Kuya mo dito. Want to watch sa mga set. Hindi ko kasi napanood yung movie eh. Yung Mad Max. Kaya hindi ko alam. Pero in fairness, parang ka nasa Universal Studios. Tapos ano lang siya ha. Parang stop lang siya ng pangkain. Ganyan or mag-CR.
Fantastic. Thank you.
On the opposite side, there's a different one. There's a different last section. There are hanging cars. There are total 4 last exits all around Dubai. But out of all the 4, this is the coolest one with the theme of Mad Max movie. Normally on the highways, you have stops for the snacks or fast food. It's similar to that one.
Green.
Like you know, here people are
White.
grey or black. Once we enter Abu Dhabi, the road color is going to change to brown. That's the first point. The second point, no, this is not the brown color. They're going to say it later. The left, and now you can check the bulbs on both sides of the road. On the right, as well as on the left. At the top, 6 bulbs. 6 straight lamps. Everyone you about the meeting by the rulers held in a tent. Currently, no one will believe. Am I right? Everyone, is it your first time to Abu Dhabi? Anyone second time to Abu Dhabi? No one. Everyone first time. Okay, we'll leave the development aside of Abu Dhabi. We'll compare it with Dubai. Everyone, you are staying in the main city of Dubai, right? Do you feel like you are staying in a desert area? No one feels. But whatever development you see in Dubai, everything is being developed on a desert. Dubai is divided into 2 parts, the old Dubai and the new Dubai. The new Dubai is being developed in the last 25 to 30 years, not more than that. Before that, it just used to be a desert area, nothing was there. You have picked up from Marina, right? Investing in Marina. So you have seen the development in Marina. Is there any more space for more development? It's on the theme park. There is Ferrari World theme park. There is Warner Bros theme park. There is Sea World. There is Yas Water Park. There is Climb. Indoor camping and trekking. And the most famous one, Yas Marina Circuit. Formula F1 racing track. Every year, the second last race of the F1, it takes place over here in Abu Dhabi in November. Now on the left hand side, can you see the huge steel structure on the left side? That's the famous ride of the Ferrari World. Any idea what is Ferrari World? What is Ferrari World? Sorry? F1? F1 is different. Yes, Marina Circuit. Ferrari World is different. Ferrari is F1. It has Ferrari color. On the island. There is no road access to the island. There will be few vehicles, machineries on the island. All a commercial island. And at the end of the Saadiyat Island, we are going to enter the main city of Abu Dhabi. Whatever new development Abu Dhabi is doing, they are doing it on islands. Because in the main city, Abu Dhabi don't have any more space for more development. It's not like Abu Dhabi don't have land. Abu Dhabi has a lot of land, but they don't want to go far away from the main city. That's why they are developing all close by to the main city area. Otherwise, if they are going towards the land area, one attraction will be like in the main city, and the next attraction will be almost 1 to 1.5 hours away. That's the reason. Everyone, we are around nearly 15 minutes away from our first stop, the Dates Market. The Dates Market of the Abu Dhabi is the famous one in UAE. The Gold Souk and Spice Souk is famous in Dubai. The Dates Market is famous in Abu Dhabi. Everyone, have you tasted the dates? Everyone saying yes. Can anyone tell me the name of the best dates in the world? No name. Now there entrance is like the bridge is there.
So, ang unang stop natin ay ang Dates Market. Ayan. Ito na siya, guys. Ayan, sa loob. So, pwede ka pumasok. So, tindahan siya ng mga dates tsaka ng mga vegetables. Ikot-ikot lang tayo. So, buong lugar pala na to, date market. Ayun, hanggang dun, no, dates. Yan, tapos bili ko tayo dito. Dates ulit. Oh, diba? Ayan. Oh, dates market. Dates yan lahat. Oh, there's a car. Hoy. Ayan o, puro dates dito. Diyos ko, tabi-tabi sila. Kaso walang tao. Bakit parang kami lang yung turista? Asa na yung mga kasama namin? Ah, okay, gets ko na. Wait lang. Ano pala, ang ginawa pala ng tour guide namin, kasi dun sa itinerary, parang una dapat yung mosque, tapos yung Heritage Village, Presidential Palace, tapos Dates Market. So, ni-reverse niya, Dates Market muna niya, tapos huli na namin yung mosque. Kasi nga, ang sabi niya pala kanina is lahat nung umalis ng Abu Dhabi ngayong umaga, ganun yung itinerary. So, kung ganun yung gagawin namin, sobrang daming tao ngayon sa mosque. Like, yung pila will take 45 minutes. So, mag-go kami against that. Kaya kung makamansin nyo, wala pang tao kasi dun sa itinerary, mamayang hapon pa sila dito. Kaya ngayong umaga, wala pang tao. Yung grapes nila pahaba. Grapes ba yun o dates? Ayan. Pahaba. Kakaiba. Ah, ito na yung fruit market. Wala masyadong tao. Kanina. Fruits. There's no fruits there. Tapos open na siya. Ito yung kabila ganun. Good morning. Here.
One check the dates.
Oh, yes, thank
It's
you.
big.
Oh, lovely.
Okay.
This is Ajwa.
Ajwa. What's this?
This is Majdoor.
Good.
This Majdoor. This is medicine. This is sugar patient, heart patient, joint pain. This is good.
Dalawa na binigay sa akin.
And this one extra protein and fiber, extra fiber also. So good.
Amazing.
So we have normal size, we have organic.
Okay.
85. There is a normal size, we have 40. It's a 40.
Ang sarap. Ang dami binigay ni Kuya. Dalawa.
It's a Jordan.
Okay.
Actually, it's a normal sweet. It's a chicken taste. So one is
Ang diwante.
We had very late breakfast.
Ang dami pinapakain ng Kuya sa akin. Dami. Ito tayo Saudi Arabia. Sultan daw. Ang dami pinakain ni Kuya sa akin. Parang the south sa Delhi din. Cook na ako. Kaya ba? Magbili na kami ng tubig. Ano kaya kaya sa ganito?
Thank you very much.
May naman ni Kuya. Thank you. I definitely take one of this. Bibili si Kuya ba?
You have a smaller batch of this one? Oh, yeah, yeah.
Say half a kilo, 45.
45 na lang daw.
This is 70 dirham we will sell fish at 45 dirham.
Yeah.
45 daw.
There is a white chocolate, and milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and pistachio.
Busog na kami dito. Nabusog na ako. Nagpahali na ako nag-alamusal kanina.
The best chocolate. It's Alraika, Assam company product.
Ah, okay.
It's not outside, no China, no something like this.
Ayun na naman, meron na naman. Bagay.
You can check this,
Taste it.
especially pistachio. This is especially pistachio.
It could be another. Me as well.
It's a Wafarilla chocolate, yeah? It's a pistachio.
We're so
Last one, please.
Almond.
Okay. The last one. Thank you so much.
This is a natural look, all natural, not
First time for me to experience real candies from Middle East.
This almond. We have many kinds. There is cashew nut and coconut caramel.
Are they the same by one?
Yeah, same. We buy one get one.
No.
Is it too sweet? Huh?
Naumay na ako. Ang tamis. Kung ano na nagpapakain sa amin ni Kuya. Ano yung bibiling ko? Do you have water? Meron na naman siya.
Just around
That is salty.
some little you can check it.
I have
Very tasty. Paprika.
It's spicy.
Okay.
That one.
No spicy.
No spicy boy.
You want garlic? Garlic there.
No. Thank you. Ay, pati.
Okay. Close.
Normal?
No. Last time.
Okay.
So sweet lesson.
Okay. Thank you very much. Then, well done.
I thought he's going to get more. Ate, nabusog ako dito. Ito yung free taste na talaga. Ito yung susuko. Sunod-sunod.
From Germany and she from Philippines.
Si Sir na yung nagbayad tuloy.
You can say to family from Paul.
Yeah, I will. Sabihin ko lang palang dapat. Yeah. Sabihin ko dapat na si Paul na nagpasalubong. Ayan na. Pasalubong daw niya sa inyo. Sabi niya kanina, hindi kami bibili. Sabi ko, sabi ko kanina, huwag kayong bibili. Hindi ko naman yan. Pinakain na kami ng pinakain. Ganun natin yung ganun natin yung style dito eh. Papakainin ka ng papakainin hanggang sa mahiya ka na lang na hindi bumili. Ayun si kuya mo naman, oh. Binili niya yung, sabi ko, magpapasalubong din ako. Para kina mama siya, kina ate. Tapos sabi niya, ayun na, siya na nagbayad. Binili na rin niya yung mama niya. So ayun, carry na tayo dito sa dates. Busog na ako, may water na ako. Balik na tayo sa van.
Is the open public beach for everyone. The second part of the beach is the family beach area. Only family members are allowed. Bachelors are not allowed. And the last one is the private beach. Any guest who has the access to the private beach? It is for the hotels. Normally if you see the hotels, on the back side of the hotel you have direct access to the beach. But over here near the beach there is no development area to the beach. They don't want their guests wearing swimsuits coming out on the road and crossing the road and going to the beach area. side. The whole city is developed, a lot of buildings are there, but not developed like Dubai. Dubai wants and more in each and everything. It's only 92 floors. Compared to Dubai, it's very small. Dubai not only having Burj Khalifa taller than this one, Dubai has more than 10 buildings taller than the tallest tower of Abu Dhabi.
Okay. That's the tallest building in Abu Dhabi.
Huge building coming up ahead. That's the current ADNOC head office. The whole building, the second tallest building in Abu Dhabi.
Okay. So that's the money making. The money making machine, yeah.
That's the Abu Dhabi. And the first entrance which you are going to see for Emirates Palace Hotel, that is only for the royals. And the construction cost to build Emirates Palace Hotel is $3 billion US. Now the second entrance is coming up for the Emirates Palace Hotel. To enter inside, you need to have a room reservation or for the night away. The white color one. The presidential palace. That's the palace. You can see it behind. The Hard Towers and then the ADNOC head office building.
Ito yung bahay nila dati, guys, dito sa Abu Dhabi. Yung mga bangka nila dati. The old boats. Grabe ang saya mo experience sa mosque, guys, kasi